friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Core. In this video, I'm going to talk about the haptic feedback comparison between the Honor 9X Pro versus the Poco X2 device. So if you're watching first time this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also do check the links in description also exactly what wallpapers I'm using currently. And if you want to know how you can install the Google Play Store services in the Honor 9X Pro device, so do check this video, friends. So there is a link in the description how you can do that. And there is also playlist for the Honor 9X Pro, so the playlist will be very helpful. So in my channel I'll be doing all the playlists for each and everything, friends, PUBG test, wallpapers, and plenty of other playlists on each smartphone, so which you can decide which phone to buy before actually buying the phone. So that's why I'll make plenty of comparison videos, friends, so which will be helpful for you all. And don't forget to join in the Telegram group if you want to download the exact Google Play APK what I'm using currently. And the reason why I'm doing this video, friends, haptic feedback. So in the Instagram, I got a request from the user, one of my follower, so asking me that how is the haptic feedback for the Honor 9X Pro device. So I thought of doing a video, friends, on this. So definitely if you have any other queries, do message me in the Instagram, and definitely I'll be trying to do the video as soon as possible. And it is a video for in terms of the haptic feedback. So in terms of haptic feedback, let me show you the settings in both the phones side by side. And right now the phone is running with the EMUI 10 version. So don't worry, friends, if you're EMUI 9, then definitely you will receive 10. So this is the latest version OS of from the Huawei. And here you can see you won't get pretty much any option, friends. In the Poco X2 you do get the option where you can select the intensity of the vibration. So this is a pretty useful and very good feature. So usually I set to the medium, if you sometimes even I set to the light as well, so which is very good in terms of feedback intensity. So if you want interested, you can set to medium or light, but in the Honor 9X Pro you won't get that option to choose from only. So if you ask me, friends, how is the feedback in the Honor 9X Pro? Overall it's good, and but not as good as the Poco X2. In Poco X2 you get a little bit of good feedback exactly here, but in the Honor 9X it's not, it's like the other phones. So which is there is nothing unique about this haptic feedback in the Honor 9X Pro device, but there is a little bit of uniqueness in the Poco X2 in terms of haptic feedback. So that is what I can explain, friends, because in the video it's not possible for me to explain the vibration intensity here. So that's why at least you got this option to choose, so that is a good advantage for the Poco X2 device. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel, friends. Don't forget to join in the Instagram and Telegram groups for more future interesting and information videos. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.